Hello again. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to change the cover photo on your boards. So we're going to go to my account by clicking on the little person in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Here we are, we're at my account. We're going to click on boards. And as you can see, most of my boards have decent looking pictures as the cover photo. But there is one that I saw that I wanted to change. So I am going to scroll down. Here it is, Tattoos I Love. You're actually going to click on the board, and you'll see in the upper right hand corner there's an edit button. Click edit, and then the third option down, it says board cover. Click on board cover. I like this third picture down of the little cupcake on the foot. I want that to be my board cover. You can actually move the picture and adjust it exactly where you want it. And then you come down here and you click done on the bottom. Now the little box popped up and said it's updated, so we're going to back up and back up. And as you can see, it still has not updated. So in order to refresh the screen, we're actually just going to go to the top and pull down on the screen. See the little arrow? That means it's refreshing. Now let's go and check it. It has updated the board photo. It's as easy as that.